The 20 most iconic cars of the last 100 years, echoes of innovation. Ever wondered which four-wheeled marvels didn't just transport us, but truly shaped our world? Buckle up as we journey through a century of automotive legends, exploring the machines that ignited revolutions, defined eras, and continue to inspire awe. Welcome, fellow enthusiasts, to a deep dive into the heart of automotive history. This isn't just a list of cars, it's a chronicle of innovation, a symphony of engineering, and a testament to the enduring human desire for speed, style, and freedom. We're about to embark on a nostalgic journey, celebrating the vehicles that have left an indelible mark on our culture and continue to resonate with car lovers, history buffs, and automotive engineers alike. Imagine a world where cars were a luxury, a privilege reserved for the elite. Then came Henry Ford's Model T, a game-changer that democratized personal transportation. "You can have any color you want as long as it's black," Ford famously quipped, but behind the humor lay a revolutionary production process. The Model T wasn't just affordable, it was a catalyst for change. It birthed the modern assembly line, transforming manufacturing forever. It shrank the vast distances of rural America, connecting communities and fostering a new sense of freedom. The weekend road trip? We owe that to the Tin Lizzie. The Beetle's story is one of remarkable transformation. Conceived in pre-war Germany, it emerged from the ashes of World War II as a symbol of resilience and optimism. Its simple, air-cooled engine and quirky design resonated with a generation seeking affordable and reliable transportation. More than just a car, the Beetle became a cultural icon. It represented counterculture, individuality, and a rejection of the status quo. With over 21 million units sold, it's a testament to the power of simple, effective design and the enduring appeal of a car with character. Prepare to enter the realm of automotive royalty. The Ferrari 250 GTO, with only 36 ever crafted, represents the pinnacle of exclusivity and desirability. These automotive masterpieces command astronomical prices at auction, fetching upwards of $70 million. Why such a staggering sum? Because the GTO is more than just a car. It's a work of art. It's a symphony of Italian design and race-winning performance, a machine that embodies the passion and artistry of Ferrari. It's automotive haute couture, a timeless icon that transcends mere transportation. Few cars can boast a silhouette that has remained virtually unchanged for nearly 6 decades. The Porsche 911, with its distinctive rear-engine layout, defied convention and became a symbol of engineering excellence. Porsche didn't just build a car, they cultivated a legacy. The 911 is more than just a sports car. It's an extension of the driver's senses. Its precise handling and responsive engine create an unparalleled connection between man and machine. It's a testament to the power of evolution, proving that continuous refinement can surpass radical reinvention. Lee Iacocca's vision ignited a cultural phenomenon. The Ford Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of American youth, freedom, and rebellion. It created the pony car segment and captured the imagination of a generation. From Steve McQueen's iconic chase scene in Bullitt to its countless appearances in film and television, the Mustang became a Hollywood icon. It represented characters who lived life on their own terms, solidifying its place in American pop culture. The Suez Canal crisis demanded ingenuity, and Sir Alec Issigonis delivered with the Mini Cooper. This diminutive car revolutionized front-wheel drive packaging, maximizing interior space while minimizing its footprint. It proved that small cars could be fun, stylish, and practical. The Mini became a fashion statement, embraced by celebrities and royalty alike. Its victory in the Monte Carlo rally against cars with far more power demonstrated that clever engineering could triumph over brute force. It's a testament to the power of thinking outside the box. The Toyota Corolla isn't about flash or speed, it's about unwavering reliability. This unassuming car built Toyota's global empire, earning a reputation for dependability that is second to none. It's the best-selling car in history, a testament to its enduring appeal. The Corolla democratized Japanese quality, challenging the dominance of Detroit automakers. It changed America's perception of "made in Japan," proving that quality and affordability could go hand in hand. It's a car that quietly revolutionized the automotive landscape. Before the Miura, supercars simply didn't exist. Ferruccio Lamborghini's audacious creation, with its transversely mounted V12 engine, set the template for every exotic car that followed. It was a bold statement, a declaration that Lamborghini was a force to be reckoned with. Enzo Ferrari famously dismissed the Miura as the work of a tractor manufacturer, but history proved him wrong. The Miura's stunning design and exhilarating performance captivated the world. Its opening scene in The Italian Job remains one of cinema's most iconic automotive moments. Those doors. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing is instantly recognizable thanks to its iconic upward opening doors. This design wasn't just for show, it was a necessity dictated by the car's innovative tubular space frame. The Gullwing was more than just a pretty face, it was a technological marvel. With the first production fuel injection system, it proved that racing technology could be adapted for road use. It's a car that embodies both beauty and innovation. General Eisenhower hailed it as one of the key tools that secured victory in World War II. The Jeep Willys MB, with its simple, rugged design, proved its mettle on battlefields around the globe. Its basic concept remains in production to this day, a testament to its enduring effectiveness. The Willys MB demonstrated that true innovation often arises from necessity. Its name, reportedly derived from soldiers slurring GP, General Purpose Vehicle, became synonymous with versatility and resilience. It's a symbol of freedom and the indomitable human spirit. The Citroën DS was a revelation. Unveiled at the 1955 Paris Motor Show, it looked like something from another planet. Its hydropneumatic suspension provided an unparalleled ride quality, keeping the car level even with missing wheels. Roland Barthes described it as a drop of heaven, and it famously saved French President Charles de Gaulle's life during an assassination attempt. The DS proved that comfort and technology could be intertwined, creating a truly revolutionary driving experience. The BMW 2002 wasn't just a car, it was the progenitor of the sports sedan segment. It established BMW's identity as the ultimate driving machine, combining precision handling with everyday practicality. Before the 2002, cars were either practical or sporty, but rarely both. The 2002 bridged that gap, creating a new automotive philosophy that has influenced countless manufacturers. Its success in America saved BMW from financial ruin, solidifying its place in automotive history. The Range Rover redefined the SUV. It transformed off-roaders from utilitarian tools into status symbols, appealing to urban elites who sought both luxury and capability. With its permanent four-wheel drive and coil spring suspension, the Range Rover proved that off-road prowess didn't require sacrificing comfort. It paved the way for the modern luxury SUV, changing the automotive landscape forever. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk's Tesla Model S revolutionized the electric vehicle market. It transformed EVs from glorified golf carts into desirable objects, boasting supercar acceleration, over-the-air updates, and a minimalist interior design. The Model S forced traditional automakers to take EVs seriously, accelerating the transition to electric mobility. Its success propelled Tesla to become one of the world's most valuable automakers, proving that electric cars could be both exciting and commercially viable. The Mazda MX-5 Miata single-handedly revived the Roadster. When it launched, British sports cars were fading into obscurity, and convertibles were becoming endangered species. Mazda's brilliant engineers captured the essence of classic roadsters without their notorious unreliability. The result? the best-selling two-seat convertible in history, a car that embodies the joy of open-top motoring. The Miata is a reminder that driving can be pure, simple fun, a connection between driver and machine that transcends mere transportation. Gordon Murray's obsession with weight reduction resulted in a car so advanced that it remains competitive even today. The McLaren F1, with its central driving position and meticulous attention to detail, is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. The F1 wasn't just the fastest production car of its era, it was a statement of intent. It represented the pinnacle of automotive engineering, a fusion of art and technology that continues to inspire awe. The 1973 oil crisis caught many automakers off guard, but Honda was ready. The tiny Civic's fuel efficiency suddenly seemed prescient, and its innovative CVCC engine met emission standards that domestic manufacturers claimed were impossible. The Civic proved that intelligent engineering could solve seemingly intractable problems. It established Honda as a leader in fuel efficiency and innovation, solidifying its place in the American automotive market. Ferdinand Piëch's audacious vision pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering. The Bugatti Veyron, with its 1,000 horsepower engine and 250-plus mph top speed, was a testament to what was physically possible, regardless of cost. The Veyron required 10 radiators, special tires costing $42,000 per set, and an engine with 16 cylinders. It was an exercise in extreme engineering, a demonstration of Volkswagen's technological prowess. The Toyota Prius, a car that has been both praised and ridiculed, made hybrid technology mainstream. It reduced urban emissions and became a symbol of environmental consciousness, embraced by celebrities and everyday drivers alike. Its distinctive shape, prioritizing aerodynamics over aesthetics, became instantly recognizable. The Prius proved that some buyers value efficiency over traditional automotive values, paving the way for a future of sustainable transportation. The minivan created a segment so perfectly suited for family transportation that it nearly wiped out the station wagon. Lee Iacocca recognized that baby boomers needed practical vehicles that didn't feel like a compromise. The resulting garageable van transformed school pickup lanes and soccer fields nationwide. The minivan proved that true innovation often comes from recognizing unmet needs rather than simply following tradition. These 20 vehicles represent more than just transportation. They embody our complex relationship with technology, art, status, and freedom. They are testaments to the visionaries who dared to challenge convention, the engineers who solved impossible problems, and the millions of drivers who found in these machines not just a way to get from point A to point B, but a reflection of their own identity. The best cars have always been time machines, transporting us not just through space but through eras of innovation and cultural change. They are echoes of our past, reflections of our present, and glimpses into our future. What will the next century's automotive icons be? Electric vehicles, autonomous driving systems, perhaps something we can't even imagine yet. One thing is certain, they will continue to reflect our dreams, values, and aspirations, just as these 20 legends have done for the past 100 years. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. Share your thoughts. Which of these cars resonates with you the most and why? Nominate your own icons. Are there any vehicles you believe deserve a place on this list? Subscribe for more. Stay tuned for future episodes exploring the fascinating world of automotive history and innovation.